Good morning, students. Now we are going to start the another topic of our socialization. Or now we have already studied a lot regarding this topic. Understand? Or regarding the culture. So now we are going to start the topic, the socialization. Okay. The socialization means what? Socialization means the entire sorts of the knowledge, kinds of the knowledge, internal, external, environmental, understand, entire whole complete identification and the knowledge of the surroundings of the society by living within the society. So this process right from our birth, understand, our learning and our socialization process begins. So there are so many stages of the socialization. As a child, a little child, infants, right from there is a process of the socialization begins. The process of socialization begins from a very little infant from there. Understand? This is the primary stage of the socialization and the learning. Then after recognition within the family, the child, the infants now recognize the mother, then recognizes the father, then after the other members of the family, and then after the recognizes the peoples of his or her surroundings. Then after recognizes his kinsmen who are the distant, living the distant and relatives. Then after the terms, language, identification, names. Okay, these all things the child learns how to all things now, the drinking, milk, or the eating, these all, and acting, these all things, activities the child learns within the society. So that is why it is said that now the man is a social animal. Long before the Aristotle, a great thinker of the Greek thinkers had now remarked, and this line is still okay. This is the biblical line that is the still having the 100% truth, 100% fact and the truth. It is the now irrefutable fact, never can be the challenged, never can be the question. Man is a social animal. He who is the born in society, understand? Here is a statement of the Aristotle. He who is the unable to live in the society, understand? Unable to live in the society, understand? Either he is a god or a beast. It means that the person who can't live in the society and even can exist without the society, the whether that person and that individual may be the beast or the god. Understand? Now it is also said the child learns the best lesson of the citizenship. The child learns the best lesson of the citizenship between the kisses of the mother and the cares of the father. Understand? So our learning, all kinds of the learning begins in the family or in our society or in the surroundings. Understand? Or this process of our learning, because the learning process is the long learning process now continues till the days. Understand? Human being learns something every day, every moment, at every moment of the breaks. A human being learns, and this process now continues for till the days, till his last breaths. Understand? So here we can say, so it is not just a exaggeration that the man becomes a man among men. A man becomes a man among men. Understand? This is the true. So here we are going to study about the socialization. For example, here is I believe that complete life is inclusive of the everything around us. Complete life. We get the completion of our life. Complete life, whatever inclusive of the what the existing existing around in the environment. This is the and this plants, for example, take the plants, cattle, guests, feast, festival, squirrel, friendship, and the scorn. All these are the more where the present in the single place in my home and the surroundings appeared the complicated then. Although sometimes appeared complicated, sometimes it became the very pleasant. Sometimes becomes the very complicated. I now understand how consummate it was. It is thanks to such a childhood, perhaps, that if I get just a glimpse of the someone's suffering, I feel I can comprehend the whole of it. Understand? So now the person in the this is the very vital and very crucial stage. The primary learning and the primary stage socialization is very much crucial for the human beings. Understand? Now we know that a lots of stories that if someone will be the left in the jungle, right? Infants, if an infant is left in the jungles, understand the where what the infants will. The infants' behavior becomes like the animals, like the jungles animals, like the forest animals. So now here, same time of the birth, human infants knows nothing. When the human infants now takes the birth, knows nothing about this world, nothing about herself or himself. And we call society or the social behavior and now the child and the infants does not know about the social behavior, about the society also. Or the child grows up, he keeps the learning not just about, and as the child grows up, he keeps learning about the and grows up. He keeps the learning not just about the physical world, but about what it means the good and bad. Along with the physical world, the child also learns what is the bad, what is the good, what should be the eaten, what should not be the eaten. Understand? What should be the adopt and not adopt. And he knows what kind of the behavior will be the applauded. And now even the child gradually learns that what kind of the behaviors will be the preferred in the society and what kind of the behavior will be the condemned and kind of the behavior will be the disapproved by the society. Understand, this all kind of the things a child learns in the society right from and started. Socialization is now defined as a process. What is the socialization? This is a process. I have already mentioned that socialization is that process which now goes till our death, right from the infants. Okay, then after till the death, this process happens. This process goes, and the process whereby the helpless infants gradually becomes self-aware. Now the helpless infants, by the process of the learning, by the process of the learning, he or she later on becomes and turns into a complete man, complete woman. Understand? With a lots of knowledge, with a lots of awareness. Now here, so how he or she does know this because of our social surroundings. What he or she gets all things around what the social surroundings say. Now he or she perceives. Understand? So this is the factors that the infant gradually become the self-aware, knowledgeable person, becomes the self-aware, knowledgeable person, and moreover, and skilled in the ways in the of the culture into which she or he wants. He knows, becomes the very skilled in the ways and the culture in which he or she takes the birth. Understand? And the birth. This is the process, okay, by which the a child or the anyone learns by living in the society. Many of you will be the familiar. One of the stories here about the wolf children of the Midnapur. This is the incidents of perhaps the 1920. Understand? 1920. The incidents happened. A Midnapur incidents, we can say, two small girls. Understand? One perhaps of the 10. Understand? And others say the second one, the smaller one, was the of the 2 years old. Understand? As far as I know. Understand? The smaller one was the 2 years old, and the elder one was the two girls were found in the wolf caves. Understand? The one was 2 years old, others was the 9-year-old. What happened in 1920? They walked on all four limbs like the animals. First thing. Second, they preferred a diet of the raw meat. They preferred what the diet was provided them. Diet was provided. They preferred the flesh or the meat, raw meat, and howled like the wolves. Amongst them, they lived for a very long time. So they now howled, not spoke like the human being, did not speak any language, any word like the human being. No, they now howled like the wolf, and they lacked any form of the speech. They were speechless. Any form of the speech they lacked. And moreover, these such incidents have been reported from other parts of the world too. Other parts, the America. A story of the Anna, an illegitimate girl. Understand? Or now she was also found, and she was kept aloof from the society. Then after what happened after the result? Now this that she could not speak. Later on, after the 5 years, understand, or 5 years when she was brought and kept alone 5 or 10 years, then after she came out, and where she was observed or examined that she could not speak, she could not move and walk. Understand? But even though she was brought outside, she could not walk, she could not speak. But it was that she was for the 5 years, she was given the training of the speech, training of the eating, or the training of the dressing sense. She had no the dressing sense, she had no the eating sense, she had no the speech. But later on, she was trained for the 5 years. Understand? So after that, taking the training, understand, for the 5 years, so now she could speak the certain words. Some words she could speak. Later on, it was also observed that she had the eating sense, how to eat, what to be the preferred, and then not. So this was the eating sense she had developed after the training of the 5 years. Then after the training of the 5 years, she had the dressing sense also. Understand? But later on, she could not exist. After the some years, she died. Understand? She died. She could not exist. And amongst these, the two girls also, they also did not exist for a long. So without society, without the living in society, we can't exist. Understand? That is why we are the social animal. If now we can't bear the painful isolation or distance from the society. This is the most painful things of the human life and the a person's life is what? Because he or she is isolated from the society. It is the most painful or the feelings of the man or the woman in the life is that. So the man is social animal. He can't exist longer without the society. And whether he or she is the living without the society, so either he is a god or a beast. Understand? And now what the behavior we do? Understand? Many experiments have been done that we now what we are complete or incomplete. This is the because of the society. What we are, understand? What we are. This is the because of the society. Understand? Society makes what makes us. We become that. We appear that. We are the expression of the society, reflection of the society to which we belong to. Understand? So here, students, the such incidents have been reported from other parts of the world also. Such Anna, I have given the instances from America. Understand? Anna instances. She was a illegitimate girl. Understand? Or then after she was experimented or examined like that. Further, we have now so far been talking about socialization. Socialization, a process of the learning. Socialization means a process of the learning, ever process of the learning or the newborn infant. But the birth of a child also alters the lives of those who are responsible for its upbringing. One thing, with the birth of a child, only the child's life not only alters. This also alters and changes the life of those who start the bringing of the child. Now their socialization also starts, their learning also starts. For example, if the newly a couple marriage happens, understand? Happens. They have led a very long time the bachelor lives, gets married, having union, and then after the birth of the child happens. Understand? Childbirth. Then after what happens? The mother, she had been for a long time, a bachelor, and the father who had also led who had been leading a very bachelor life. Understand? And first time they also experiences the how to bring up a child, how to bring up an infant. Many learning processes starts or begins of their, not only that infants learning, their learning process also begins. Understand? So now we see that not responsible for its upbringing, they too undergo a new learning experience. The mother and father who had been living a very long experienced life, long bachelor life. Now they start the experiencing how to bringing up the child's marriage life and becoming the grandparents, or the parenting involves as a whole set of activities, and their parenting starts. Parent when become the grandfathers, of course, thus forging another set of the relationship, connecting the different generation with each others. They becomes the father. Then after that child becomes grown-ups and gets married. His father and mother becomes the grandfathers. So that who had been the parented, the child who had been the parented, again that child becomes the parents, and he learns the parenting, how to parenting. So now this process, grandfathers, father, and the parenting, this process now goes for a long time, and moreover, likewise the life of the young child changes with the birth of the sibling. Life of the young child changes, birth of sibling. Socialization is a lifelong process. Even though the most critical process happens in the early years, this is the a lifelong process, and most critical process which is associated with the socialization in the early phase. early phase. I have talked about the Anna and the two Midnapur girls. Understand? So now this is the most crucial fact, early phase of socialization, because here the child learns the recognitions, the language, the walking, talking, understand, talking and learning, understand, food habits. These all established in the early phase of the life. So this is the very much crucial, because this is the associated with the language, associated with the food habits, associated with the sense of the dressing, sense of eating, speaking, understand, the speech. These all things are associated with the early of the life. So this early phase becomes, although this process goes on for the till the death, but this early phase process, socialization process is the most crucial. This is the most crucial process. Understand? So now students, and the process happens, the stage primary socialization. This is called the early phase socialization. It's called as the primary socialization. We can say socialization, and the secondary socialization, as we saw, extends over the entire life of the person, and that this primary socialization, but the secondary socialization goes and the extends for the entire life. That is the mature socialization. हमारा है our mature socialization, in which we can't be the altered a lot, as we can be the could be and can be altered at the very little time, little stage. Understand? So now this must be the primary stage socialization is the very crucial. Understand? Moreover, while socialization has an important impact, one thing is that impact on the individuals, it is not a kind of cultural program. It's had the impact. It is not cultural program. The child absorbs the passively influences with which he or she comes into the contact. No, it is not a cultural program that we take or not take on. If we are enthusiastic or not enthusiastic, this is the, even the most recent newborn can assert she will cry when the hungry. Understand? We shall, and keep crying until those responsible for infants' care respond. This is the very natural. We shall cry when an infant feels the hungry, and until no one responds. Moreover, you may have seen how the normal everyday schedules of the family get completely reorganized with the birth of a child. Our life and everyday routines now reorganize at the birth of the child or infants. This is also part of the socialization. Now we shall see that introduce the concept of status role. In the previous chapters, I have taught you about the status role. Now we all are now at the ladder of the status and the role, and we are ready to play the role. Understand? So this is the status. What the status we have, and we get in the society. According to that status, we play the role. We play the role according to our status. What status we have got? A status of a child, a status of a parents, a status of a officer, a status of a cultural man. According to that, you play our roles, life's role. Understand? We go. The way I have already taught this. Social control is also. Now I have already taught you that we are governed and we are constrained and controlled by the society. Wherever are you? Understand? Society controls us. Society now keep the control over us. Understand? Because by the social norms or by the social customs, social festivals, custom, tradition, understand, convention, These are the keeping the control over our activities and control over our behaviors. Understand? I have taught you that we have everyone under the control of the society, under the control of the society. And one thing is that I have also taught you the groups, different kind of the group, and social stratification also. Now in the society, everyone is at the certain stage of, at the certain position or a strata. Now the many of the stratification has been done, or a stratification means the inequality. Inequality, a stratification is made the inequality, means the from top to bottom. Understand? And top to bottom stage is what? It is not the horizontal. Social stratification can't be made by the horizontal. It is the vertical. Horizontally status, that will not make the stratification. The vertical, your position, holding the position in the society, we are the holding the position in a vertical form. From top layer wise, our society is divided. Understand? And according to that, we are this vertical position A, B, C, D. These are the unequal, not equal. Here is the A is the equal. Horizontal is the equal, but vertical is not equal. So like that, the society is our social setup is the stratified. It is the vertical, or it is the based on inequality. Understand? Higher position, lower position, rich and poor. I am talking about that. Understand? And moreover, here I have already mentioned about that. You are the acquainted with the what the culture, norms and values are. What is the culture? I have taught a lot. You will revise this. Keep the revision, norms and values. All these concepts will help us to understand how the process of socialization takes place. Understand? These all will help us to get understand how the process of the socialization takes place. A child in the first instance, take the example of a child. A child in the first instances, what happens in the first instances is a member of the family. You born in the family, no? Everyone be born in the family, becomes the a member of the family, and then after it become the larger kin groups. We know about the larger group, biradari or khandan. After that, okay, we know, or then consisting of the brothers, sisters, family, then after brother, sisters, other relatives of the parents, family into which we born, someone born may be the nuclear or family kinds of families. I am talking about that, a joint family or the nuclear family. Understand? Individual family or the extended family. So this kind of the family we born. First we learn. It is also a member of a larger society, such as then after the tribes, subgroups, subcaste, clan, biradari, religion, linguistic group. We belong to the any language group, Hindi or English or Tamil and Telugu. Then after the religious group, Hindu, Muslims and the Christians, and like that, maybe the. And moreover, membership of these groups and the institution imposes certain behavior. We become naturally, understand, members of these all the institutions, and these institutions now impose many of the behavior, norms and values on the each member. Behavior, norms, values, etiquette, these all things now is imposed upon us and upon a child who is under the process of the socialization. These all, and moreover, and each member corresponding to his membership, there are roles and are performed. That is of a son, and here the many roles are performed, like the parents role, father role, mother roles, sister roles, son's role, and the grandchild's roles. These are the multiple roles, and we are the playing in multiple roles. For example, I am your teacher. I am teaching you. I am father. I am the brother of anyone, playing the role of the brothers. Then after, I am the devotee of the Hindus religion. I am Hindus also, playing my religious role. So we have the multifaceted role. Understand? We play and we are associated with these roles. So okay, the one man have the different roles, playing the different role in the society, and the process of the learning on the norms, attitude, values, behavior, pattern of the groups begins early in the life and continues throughout the. These all values, attitude, norms, these all we process goes in our early phase of our life. Understand? This is a very crucial. I have already talked to you. And the norm and values may differ within the society in the different families. These values and norms are the different family to the different society and different and regions, social classes, religion, groups according to whether one lives in the villages, city he belongs to, and the language one speaks depends on the regions comes from. We have the language, we belong to the different regions and the different language, and closer to the dialects, standardized written form dependent on the family. Standardized writings we get from our family depends, and the socio-economic cultural profile of the family. Understand? We learn and we are the profile of the socio-economic profile of our family. Understand? So now overall, I am talking about our position or our process of the learning in the society, socialization process. Understand? You will look and read again this topic. Understand? Next topic, agency of socialization, means the which factors, how many factors. Understand? And the agencies which help in the process of our socialization or the learning process of our learning in the society. Understand? Thank you very much.